Vivo has just launched its new device named Vivo V9. In this video, we will be unboxing this new phone, looking into its specifications. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, this was the most awaited phone, Vivo V9, perfect shot, perfect view. Looking into its specifications, 24 megapixel dual camera, 4 GB RAM with 64 internal GB storage, full view 2.0. This is the special golden line version and the price is 24,000. Now let's unbox it. So here comes this phone. Here comes the Vivo booklet, quick start guide, and this is the SIM injector tool and a small booklet, some important information. Here's a cover made by rubber, full elastic is there. Just keep the phone aside and look other things. What is inside the box is this earphones powered by Vivo. This is the USB cable. I think they should include USB type C, maybe next time they would include it. Now this is the adapter, 5 volt. Nothing else is written on it, just the back side is printed, some of the information. Now here comes the phone, let's unwrap it. It is the black color variant. As you can see, Vivo is being printed with golden lining, fingerprint scanner also, and the camera too. If we talk about its display, you can see the notches being copied from iPhone 10, and for the front camera we are getting 24 megapixel with portrait mode, and for the rear one we are getting dual camera with 16 plus 5 megapixel camera, face detection, autofocus, dual LED flash. So as you can see, the camera is nice. On the back side we are getting golden print on the fingerprint scanner and as well as the camera one. So I have booted the phone and let's check it out. Here comes the phone. Now let's unlock it and go to the settings. About phone, and if we talk about its processor and RAM is 4 GB with 8.01 Oreo. The update will be coming soon of 9.0p, and the battery backup is 3260 mAh. So I hope you like this video and as well as this one.
Prabal, why did you purchase this so late and what is unique about this device?
Guys, you must have noticed that there is a golden line and a golden print on the Vivo as well as on the camera line. Vivo has just launched this special edition with golden line and it makes it too attractive to look good. And as you can see in other videos, there is no golden line. We are having the special edition and now it is available in market. So thank you guys for watching our video.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the notification button.
And also please give it a thumbs up. Jai Hind.
Jai Bharat.